For this video, I'm heading back to America. I'm going to travel around the states of Arizona and Nevada. I'm traveling from Terminal 3 at Heathrow Airport on my new favourite aircraft, the Airbus A350. It takes about 10 hours to get to Pheonix. By the time I get to Pheonix, there's a song there. It'll be evening and time for a sleep before setting off by car for a look at Arizona. It's a lovely evening in Pheonix. See you in the morning. Today I'm visiting the Desert Botanical Garden just outside Pheonix in the hills. It's home to thousands of species of cactus, trees and flowers from all around the world. And this is the #1 attraction in Pheonix. The Desert Botanical Garden in Pheonix, and these guys are on the way back to the hotel. Well, I've had a day and a half here in Pheonix. Time to head off into the hills. We're going back to the airport now to collect the car hire, myself and my husband John. Yes, if you don't blink, you may catch a glimpse of him later on. I'm travelling on the Interstate 17 through the Sonoran Desert, about 2.5 hours to Sedona. Stopping at a scenic rest area called Sunset Point. I thought these drink machines were locked away behind bars so they couldn't be used. But on closer inspection, the bars are to stop the machines being stolen, and you put your arm through the bars to get at the drinks. Back on the road to Sedona. Now, there aren't many roundabouts in America, and most seem to be in Arizona.
At the roundabout, take the second exit to Arizona 216.
There's not a lot of roundabout savvy, and nobody indicates. The famous red rocks of Sedona have come into view. I'm spending 3 nights here. Sedona is an Arizona town founded in 1902 and has a population of around 10,000, which swells several times over in the holiday season. Sedona is the only place in the world where the McDonald's restaurant has a teal M instead of the usual yellow arches. This is so it did not contrast with the striking backdrop of the town's red rock formations. Let's have a look now at those famous red rocks. The Chapel of the Holy Cross was built into the cliffs in 1955. I've stopped off for a few minutes at a small mining town called Jerome. Once known as the wickedest town in the West, Jerome was born a copper mining camp, growing from a settlement of tents into a roaring copper mining community. Nellie Bly's shop, a former brothel, is the largest kaleidoscope shop in the world.
Continue on Arizona 89 alternate route.
It's quite a hairy drive out of Jerome. There was snow on the peaks, so we had to turn round. Today I'm visiting Montezuma's castle. It's about 40 minutes drive from Sedona. Montezuma's castle is a set of well-preserved dwellings which were built and used by the Sinagua people between approximately AD 1100 and 1425. The main structure comprises 5 stories and about 20 rooms and was built over the course of 3 centuries. The next place I'm travelling to is the exciting city of Las Vegas in Nevada. It's just over 4 hours from Sedona, and my journey follows the path of the famous Route 66.
Get your kicks on Route 66.
This is Williams, the gateway to the Grand Canyon. I'll save that for another video. The Grand Canyon Railway starts from here. I'm heading now into Nevada on my way to Las Vegas. Well, I've arrived in Las Vegas. Not the easiest place in the world to drive, but I've made it to the hotel. Let's have a look at this crazy town. I'm leaving the madness of Las Vegas, heading back through Nevada into Arizona to Lake Havasu. I'm stopping off at the Hoover Dam. The Hoover Dam is on the border of Nevada and Arizona on the Colorado River. Constructed between 1931 and 1946, I'm heading down for a look at the turbines. The construction of the Hoover Dam created Lake Mead, the largest reservoir in the United States. Continuing through Arizona and bits of California, my next stop is Lake Havasu. In the 1960s, Robert P. McCulloch Sr. was an inventor and entrepreneur who had great success in the boat, motor and chainsaw markets. In need of a body of water to test the motors, McCulloch moved his company from landlocked eastern California to the Lake Havasu area. He purchased a 26 square mile parcel of raw desert along the lake's eastern shore. McCulloch wanted to grow his tiny company town into a thriving city and tourist destination. In 1967, the City of London was looking for someone to buy the defunct and dismantled London Bridge. Oddly enough, McCulloch had a hunch that this iconic piece of British history would drive growth in the Lake Havasu city area. McCulloch placed the winning bid of £2.4 million on April the 18th. News of the purchase brought McCulloch's tiny town to the world's attention. And contrary to popular belief, McCulloch was not under the impression that he was purchasing Tower Bridge of London. Or was he? Well, I'm back at Pheonix Airport, about to head for London. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time.